Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Windows 11 PC not shut down or restart but restart properly. Okay, so first click to start, type control panel. This is first method. Open it to control panel. Then view by select the small icon and large icon depend about you. Find out the PowerShell. This is PowerShell. Click on it and then click to choose when power button do. Click on it and then click on change setting, they are currently unavailable. Okay, and uncheck turn on fast boot, uncheck turn on fast boot and then click to check save changes and then close it. This is first method. Then next method, check the processing blocking shutdown. Click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator and type this command power cf space request. So system no any schedules showing here. Okay, and then close it. Next, disable automatic restart. So click to start, type run and then type sysdm.cpl and then click to OK. After that it will open system property, then click to advance and in the set startup and recovery click on setting and then uncheck automatic repair, and this can be have resolved whether computer during shutdown. Check this and then after that click on OK and then close it. Next method, perform clean boot. So click to start, type run, open it, type msconfig and then click to OK. After that click on services and then check this box, hide all Microsoft services, click to disable or then click to apply and then click to OK. Next setup, next method, repair Windows system file via command. Click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. Okay, and then guys type this command, sorry, DISM online cleanup. This is 100%, it will restore your corrupted system file. So after that it will start a percentage like 1 to 100% and then it will complete 100%, then try to second one. So second command is this in sfc space /scannow and then start again same. Then guys restart your system and then please check it your issue is resolved on. If not, please comment me, I will create another video for you as soon as possible and share with you shortly. Thank you.